Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress Maintenance team here at Valet. Have you visited the new WhiteHouse.gov site that was updated last week? Not only it's again built with WordPress and Gutenberg, but it has a Spanish version, a dark mode and other accessibility features. You can read their accessibility statement at whitehouse.gov/accessibility. That's a great example of how a site should be in current times. On the developer's note, Kinsta released a new local development tool optimized for WordPress. It's called DevKisnta and uses Docker to create local instances of your sites. Check out kinsta.com/devkisnta. Also, if you use any kind of maps on your site, there's a new open source library you can try. It's called Maplibre and you can find it in the GitHub link in the description. It's a free alternative to Google Maps and Mapbox and looks pretty awesome. That's it for this week. I'll see you on the next one.